Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your report in Power BI Desktop or the service and signing into your workspace. Once done, select the visual you want to save and make sure it's properly sized and readable. Zoom or adjust the visual level filters if needed. You should hide surrounding charts or use a bookmark to isolate the visual so the export contains only what matters. Make sure the background and theme are final to avoid re-exporting for style fixes. Next, use Power BI's built-in options to create an image. In Desktop, use the three-dot menu and choose Copy Visual as Image to get a PNG clipboard copy. Paste into an editor and save. If you need a higher resolution capture of the full page, export to PDF and then convert the relevant page to an image. In the service, if direct copy isn't available, use the browser's Print to PDF or a snipping tool, and make sure to set scaling for clarity. Finally, for advanced needs, consider custom visuals that support image export or automate exports with Power Automate to save PNGs to SharePoint or OneDrive. When you need higher fidelity, export to PDF at a higher DPI and convert that PDF to an image to preserve crisp text and lines. If you get a blank or cropped image, refresh the visual, clear browser cache, or try a different browser. These steps usually fix rendering and permission glitches, so you're...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.